Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is an Incredible Hulk, which is Hennessy and Hypnotic, and then a couple cubes of ice on top. It's not as green as I want. It looks pretty green on the camera though. It's not as green as I wanted it to be. It's kind of like a dirty green, like mud, like seaweed, not seaweed, yeah, like moss. What's the word I'm looking for? That nasty green thing. That's what it looks like. This don't look like a Hulk. It's my birthday. Well, Tuesday, and you're watching this Sunday, so it's, yeah. So, and I requested Hennessy for my birthday, so that's why I'm drinking Hennessy right now, because, you know, usually I be drinking vodka. But go ahead, grab your drink, and then come back and let us have this conversation. Now, like I've been saying in the past couple videos, if you follow me on Instagram, I post these questions as polls in my Instagram story based on memes that I find on the internet. And this particular meme, I'll post a screenshot right here. And my question was, can a man in a relationship have a girl who is just a friend? 48% of you said yes, while 52% of you said no. So as a female who's one, married, and two, who has male friends who are in relationships, I do feel like guys can be in a relationship and have friends who are girls, who are literally just friends. The thing that I would say would be disrespectful is if you and this female friend are trying to run off to different places together, you know, like I don't know how to explain it. You can have your friends, yes. Nobody's telling you not to have friends. You can talk to your friends, yes. You can hang out with your friends, yes. But one-on-one drinks, one-on-one dates, like, I'm not for that. Unless you're single, no, don't do that. And then I always say, like, single girls don't care. Single girls don't care if you're in a relationship or not. If they want to fuck, they're gonna fuck, okay? And that's just how it is. So I feel like if you're in a relationship, yes, you can be friends with girls, just friends, but you have to know how to limit the friendship. You have to know what is respectful to your partner and what's not. Think about, would you want your girl out here with her guy friend, you know, just chilling, like just being one of the homies? I highly doubt that. And if you are one of those guys, then great, kudos to you. Okay, you are one of those more evolved men, I guess, and you have that relationship where, you know what, it doesn't matter, because you guys, you know what, maybe you trust each other so much that it doesn't even matter. But how I feel is, single females, they're not shit. I was a single female once. I know how they think. And if you feel like it's okay to be on these one-on-one either lunch dates or drinks after work or whatever the case is, then you have a problem. And if you feel like it's okay for you to do it, then you should be okay if I choose to do it. That's all I have to say. I will say though, as far as the percentages goes, I'm kind of surprised that so many people, let me see who said wait let me see who said what, because I feel like it was mainly women who say no, men can't be in a relationship and have a female friend as just a friend. Let me see. Because my husband, his best friend is a female. Shout out to Amiga. I love you, babe. So the votes for no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, we're all girls. And the votes for yes, yep, all guys. All guys. So I feel like, all right. I feel like I should ask this question, and I want you to sound off in the comments. Is it okay for, no, that's not a question. Can a female who's in a relationship have a guy who's just a friend? That's my question to you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's have this conversation. I don't think it's a debate. I don't know. If you agree or disagree with me, again, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the birthday shout outs on my birthday. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys. Again, I said thank you already, right? Yeah, until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.